Welcome back to the Sound for More channel and welcome back to another tutorial on Groove Rider 2. This time we are going to expand on how to use the sampler with slices, chopping different type of waveform sounds and then use those to actually create beats. Before I continue, I would like to remind my viewers to subscribe as it helps with growing the channel. Thank you very much. Additionally, if you would like to support what I do, please do check the instruction contained in each video description. Thank you again. So let's create a new pattern like so. Perfect. And let's lower a touch also the master. Okay, perfect. Now let's remove this layer 1 where there is a default synth. Click and hold on the plus sign again and click on add sampler. Now we have seen in a previous tutorial how to load the sample. So I have here a drums loop. Okay, and here how it sounds. Normal drums loop, right? Okay, perfect. Now, so we can disable a warp if we need to. Yeah, okay. Now, here you see a button which says license. Click on it. Now, it is off by default. You can click on auto. It will ask you to auto slicing using transients or dividing what you have here by 16 slices. I'm going to say use transients, okay? And it has passed the file. And now if I press the first part here, it will play only that part, the second one, and so on, and so forth. And now this part here, instead of saying chords, it says slices. So now I can use my fingers to play. Now, it's very simple to use, so you can move between the different parts, okay, or slices, as they are defined. You can change the pitch. Okay, you can, for example, change the start and length. Okay, sometimes you find, for example, that is touching the next one if it's not done properly, so decrease a bit the length, like so. So you can adjust the start of the sample and the length of each sample, which correspond to a slice. And you can move between the different slices like so. You can turn it off if you want, and you can turn it back on again. Now click on the X to exit. You can also set here the loop like so, which is great. And you can have a lot of fun. You can even set it to ping pong. Okay, perfect. Now let's set these to no loop. Okay, so this is a first example. Now click on load and let's load something else. Okay, so we disable warp again and let's go on yeah, this is how it sounds. Now let's go to slices and click auto and we look for transients. Okay, perfect. Okay, so of course you have 16 pads here, so that is what it recognized. So let's have a look. Oh, that sounds actually nice. So once we have done that, why don't we go to clips here and click record? Okay, we have recorded now those slices inside that clip. Now, when you go inside that clip, you can see all these notes like that. Okay, that is not really straightforward, is it? But if you can see up here says slice, click on it, and now you can choose between show all notes or show some particular slice or all slices. If you have all slices enabled, there you go. Now you can see the slices which have been used, slice 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, up to 16. So you can see we trigger slice number 1 here, slice number 4 here, etc., etc. So let's play. And the beauty of having an ID is now you can select everything and you can quantize, for example, like so, right? And so it's really, really good. And you can quantize the ends as well, okay? But it doesn't finish there, because if you click on slice here, let's say that you want to use slice number 6, you can click here and you can have it enabled to show you only slide 6, which means that if you press the note here, it will play this corresponding line 6. And if you go up here, it's still playing slide 6 here, but it's going up by pitch. Fantastic, okay? So you could do, for example, and go up here. And then click play. Fantastic, isn't it? So it's really, really good, okay? And of course, you can ask it to show all notes like so. You can see all the notes together, which could be quite confusing. I prefer to have it actually as a show all slices, but you can hide individual slices to play directly on the piano roll, okay, or step by step choosing on what to play for each corresponding slice. And of course, you can continue like that. You can go to the next part, like so, go back to the sound, click and hold here, add another sampler, click and load the drum loop again, right? Why not? Click slices, auto, transients, okay, perfect. Perfect. Now you could record, for example, another clip, right? Why not? Perfect. Let's go inside that clip. There it is. Let's click here on slices, select show all slices. There it is, right? And again, we can select everything. We could, why not, quantize? Perfect. So why don't we solo only this part? And again, you can treat it as a normal, editing of a clip. So we could add a note there. Perfect. Okay. And again, then unsolo and let's have more fun. Okay, perfect. I hope you enjoyed. Now you know how to actually slice, chops a sample. Okay, change the start length, the pitch, okay, each individual setting as well. You can set it in loop or not. And then you can go inside your clips and enable different views for slices and create your own beats with the slices that you have created, chopping different samples. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.